But now when the power minister of the Delhi government himself is saying that I want to come and discuss, I have no problem. What is wrong? That is for them to promise and people not to fall prey. That is why we have to get involved and tell the people the facts that what is happening there and what they have shown there. They have, so that is what we are trying to say. So, now, he asked for discussion. Why should I go behind when I know that we are giving the best? Why should I go behind? They said, I am accountable to the people of Goa. If anybody calls me or anybody asks me, I am there. And last time also, somebody from their party asked me, I went. It has come back again when Mr. Kejriwal came here and announced something. They said, the same other fellow said, we want to debate. I said, I am not ready to debate. Then the question of 6 or 7 months before, I told the same thing that if they want to come, let the power minister come. Now after 7 months, he is woken up from his slumber and he is coming.
They are talking about free electricity time and again. Petrol prices during Parika regime. So like that, is it a possible solution or scenario in Goa and Data?
Delhi, Delhi petrol prices are higher than Goa prices.